honor to work with you. Let me just say that. So thank you.
Thank you.
So one of the questions I seen, somebody said, what are all of the expenses? Such a great question. So when you purchase your program, you are either going to launch your business with the Legacy Builder program for $900, or launch your business with the Digital Mastery for $600, or launch your business with the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint for $300, or launch your business with the Launchpad. Okay. After you do that, you're immediately going to pay your $29 website fee to give you access to a pre-built website. You guys, you don't even got to worry about building a website. It's pre-built. All you're going to do, the website, is plug in your domain. So you're going to want to, and the website is $29, right? So your program, $29. And then you are going to have a one-time fee for your, or a website fee for your domain, which here in the US, if you get it through GoDaddy, it's like $1.99 to $3.99 for the entire year. And then you're going to want to get a professional email that's attached to that, which I think it's like $20 a year. After that, there's no monthly expenses. The automated sales process that I showed you, we give that to you. The funnel system at zero cost to you. The website, all you're gonna do is connect your domain in your payment gateways. So when somebody buys, it goes into your bank account. And then you're gonna also add a picture of you and a little paragraph. And it's connected and it's ready to go. You guys could launch your business today, have it up and going by this evening or tomorrow the latest if you want. So that's it. That was one of the things that was so important to me, and that was build a business with no monthly expenses. I actually built my business to 6 figures without it costing a dime. So good question on that.